Hey guys, I'm Blown, you're watching Joe. If you're having problems with your phone charging or your phone isn't charging at all, don't go buy a new charging cable just yet. It's probably not that. It's probably something that is a lot easier and a lot cheaper to fix. What happens is inside of your USB port, you'll get a bunch of dirt and debris in there. My best suggestion to you is to go to like Walmart or something like that and get a little thing of these. They're like sewing needles. They're very, very, very thin, but they are very strong, yet not brittle, so they can kind of bend. I use these for back probing circuits and electrical connectors in vehicles. These are a definite have to have for this because these are actually small enough to get in there, and what you want to do is, I'm sure you've seen videos where, you know, the ASMR or whatever, where they're like cleaning out the phones and taking out all of the cat hair and all of the dirt and debris. Well, it's basically what you're doing, but they have special tools that are very thin yet strong, allowing you to get in the little port there. Anything that's bigger than that, like say something like a safety pin or a thumb pin, is too big. You know, you will damage your port if you try to stick something like that in there. So basically, super easy. Just kind of put it in there like that, and you don't want to go too crazy because you don't want to mess up, you know, the contacts or the leads in there. And what I do is just kind of go around in a circle and scoop everything out. Now from here, it's generally bad to like blow out the rest of the debris in your phone. If you have like some duster or something, then go ahead and spray it in there and then continue with cleaning it out, spray it again, but don't go too crazy with it. Now you can kind of do that, clean it out, blow it out with your mouth, which is, like I said, not good because you're gonna get, you know, condensation, spit, whatever in there. But if you do that a couple times, then you can take some of this QD electrical cleaner, and they do have these in a smaller little tiny bottle, which would be good for this. And with the phone upside down, I would suggest just kind of spray just a little bit in there. And this dissipates, you don't have to blow it after that, but that will actually kind of further clean out the contacts and will actually also dissipate any spit or kind of move any moisture out from there. I've done this with this phone, with a couple different phones, and it's worked really great. Hope that helps you out, guys. If it did help you out, please consider hitting that like button and subscribe, and check out some of my playlists. I have a lot of how-tos on how to do pretty much anything, especially automotive. If you're into that, hey, welcome aboard. But I appreciate you for watching. Have a good one.